Welcome back to Prakash CBSE channel, and today we would like to see exercise 9.1 question number 2. So already in video 1 and video 2 we uploaded introduction part and exercise 9.1 first question. So let's get into the second question here. Let's read the question and we have to convert this word problem into the diagram. After that we can solve the problem. So read the question here. A tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degrees with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meter. Then find the height of the tree. So one tree breaks due to the storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground. So let's consider one tree like this. Okay, so due to the storm some part of the tree is broken. Maybe this is the broken part. So broken part bends so that the top, means this top of the tree touches the ground. So after breaking the part, the top is touching the ground. So let it be, this is the top now touching the ground, and the foot of the tree also will be on the ground. So when you join, you get one right angle triangle. Okay, so this is the broken part. Understand? So let's give the names A, B, C, and this point if you want to take, you can take as a D. Now making an angle with it, how much degree? 30 degree. Okay, so this angle is given 30 degree with it. Then the distance between the foot of the tree, okay, this foot of the tree to the point where the top touching the ground. Top touching the ground is this foot of the tree. So this distance only it's given that 8 meter. Okay, then what we have to find out? Find the height of the tree. So height of the tree, which means this is the remaining part now. Okay, this is the remaining part and this is the broken part. So in your right angle triangle you have to find out hypotenuse side also, and this we say perpendicular also we have to find out. So let's find out first any one thing, then we can find out the second thing. So in a right angle triangle we know right angle opposite as hypotenuse, angle opposite is perpendicular. Now let's find out first perpendicular, then we can find out the hypotenuse. Finally when you add this two you will get it. So let's write here total height of the tree equal to this AC plus BC, because AC is the remaining part, BC is the broken part. When you add together only you will get the total height. Now let's find out first anyone. First find out AC. Okay, so to find out AC now, so AC will be the question mark, and we have base here. Base is given A to B equal to 8 meter is there, and angle theta also given. We know how much? 30 degree. Now we know how to select the formula. By video 1 I explained. Now see AC means a perpendicular and AB is given, so base is given, perpendicular we have to find out. So base and perpendicular, what is the formula? Let's see here, base and perpendicular, what is the formula? Perpendicular base. So formula we have tan theta. So this is the way you can select the formula. Then can take tan theta equal to perpendicular by base. So perpendicular AC we have to find out by base is given 8, and tan theta value we know, tan theta value 30 degree equal to AC by 8. Tan 30 value in the table of column you can see here, tan 30 value 1 by root 3. So take tan 30 value 1 by root 3 equal to AC by 8. If you want to find out AC value, AC equal to, take opposite, then you will get 8 by root 3 is the A to C distance, means the perpendicular distance. So let's find out now hypotenuse, means BC. Now find BC. Okay, so BC is the question mark, and we know base AB equal to 8 centimeter and the angle theta equal to 30 degree. Now AB is a base here, base, and we have to find out hypotenuse. So base is given, hypotenuse to find. What formula? Base and hypotenuse. Let's see here. Base and hypotenuse formula, you have cos theta. So let's take the formula. Cos theta equal to base by hypotenuse. Now theta value we have here 30 degree. So let's take cos 30 degree equal to base, we know 8 by hypotenuse. We have to find out that BC value. Let it. So cos 30 value in the tabular column. Here you can see cos 30 value root 3 by 2. So root 3 by 2 equal to 8 by BC. Now if you want BC, take this opposite, then you will get BC into root 3 equal to 2 into 8, you will get 16. Now if you want BC, take this multiplication opposite, so it will come division. So this is the BC. Now you got the AC value and BC value. If you want total height, what we have to do? We have to add the remaining part and the broken part. So total height equal to AC plus BC only. So AC value we know already fine, and BC value we got now 16 by root 3. So take like common denominator, add the numerators, get 24. So 24 by root 3 is answer. Or if you want to rationalize also, you can answer by 24 by root 3 also. If you want to rationalize, you can rationalize with the denominator. Just multiply and divide with the denominator, so that we'll get 24 root 3 by root 3 into root 3 will get root 3 whole square, cancel. So 24 by here we have 24 root 3 by square root, cancel, remaining 3, cancel now. So you will get 8 root 3. So we know root 3 value approximately 7.32 we can take. This if they given in the question, you have to apply. If not given, no problem. So 8 into 1.732. If you multiply this, get 13.86 meter. So approximate answer only. So therefore total height of the tree, approximately 13.86 meter. Hope that you understand this. We will see in the next video, next question. Thank you so much for watching. If you are not subscribing our channel to please subscribe and press the bell button also to get all the videos whatever you upload. Thank you.